Same but Different use the arts to raise awareness of the impact of rare diseases on the individuals and the community. We wanted to make sure that people understood that having a rare disease or disability didn't make them any different to anyone else. The National Lottery Community Fund has supported Same but Different, and they've supported us in many ways, financially, but also we know that they're there if we need them. We use the arts, we use it in different ways. We use photography, we use film, and we use written narratives. And we use this to actually raise awareness, but give people a stronger voice so that they can actually tell people in their own words what it means to them. And we do that because people do feel isolated, they do feel lonely. And with this awareness, you build a stronger community.
I had a son that was diagnosed with trisomy 18 who passed away, and I seen a call on social media to be involved in a project for trisomy babies in partnership with Soft and Same but Different, and Same but Different running the project. So I obviously wanted to talk about my son. It was quite raw, but I wanted him to be remembered, and Same but Different gave me that opportunity and the voice to do that. So I was very, very nervous, but it was very cathartic, and it was nice to have that opportunity and that space to tell his story. The whole programme came together, and it gets rid of the isolation. You know, other people are walking in your shoes, and it gives you that sense of you're not alone in this big world all by yourself. You know, there's parents, there's the support group through Same but Different. You know, you can reach out and talk to others that are feeling the same and going through the same.
Often the community we talk about isn't necessarily geographical. It could be throughout the UK or even worldwide, because it's really important that you find that connected community that understands what you're going through. It starts with community.